I'm going to show you how to make a quick on, off, on, off program. So if you want to see that, stick around and watch the rest of the video. Alright, in the cards up above there's a link to a serial communication tutorial video I've done. Now if you go into that video and just cut and paste the code, you'll see it's in one of those comments, and then bring that up into your Arduino IDE platform. Just need to add a couple things and you're away. So first thing I want you to add is this pin mode 13 output in your setup, and change some of these if statements from high and by to on and off. So digital write 13 high and digital write 13 low for off, and that'll get your light on and off, and that's all you've got to do for the Arduino, if you can just cut and paste that code. Alright, so I'll leave you with that. Alright, all you've got to do is upload it, so let's upload it. So I'm using an Arduino Uno for this, but you can pretty much do anything with pin 13. That's got the LED built in. You don't necessarily have to use this just for on and off of the LED. You could do anything with this. For example, you could do motor control and all sorts of stuff by just following these same steps and just changing your commands around, and that's basically it. So I'll just quickly test it. On, off, and it did work, you just couldn't see it. Alright, so let's get into the code on Visual Studio. Alright, so let's get into Visual Studio and get a VB project started. So I'll try and do it as fast as I can, but as straightforward as I can. So we'll just create a form application again. We'll just call it temp something, temps, whatever. Alright, so it's going ahead and it's creating it. Alright, so what we're going to need a combo box. Let's just make it full width. We need 2 buttons. I'll just call this port box down the bottom. On BTN, just naming the buttons. That's about it. Let's call the form main. Now let's also call this on off or something. Alright, so let's just get right into it. Double click on that. So that gives you a load event. Double click on that. Double click on that. That one. Over here, selection item change, double click on that. Okay, we need to find a serial port, drag that in. Like that. Did it work? I don't know. No, it didn't work. Oh, there you go. There it is. Now we just need to get started in the coding. So what we need to get in starters, let's just go down here and we'll say dim my ports as array, and then we'll just do a try statement. My ports equals IO dot ports dot serial port dot get port names. Then you do port box dot items dot add range my ports, and then we'll just do port box dot items dot selected dot, no, hold on, sorry, port box dot selected item equals port box dot items 0. So what that just does is it my ports is the array where we're keeping everything. Then we're filling my ports up with all the serial ports that you have available. Adding to the combo box, which is called port box, all the ports from that array, and then we're just defaultly setting it to the first one in that array. Okay, so we just need to set some parameters for the serial port 1 dot baud rate. Now, if you have a desired speed that you want it to run at, stick it in here. If you don't know, that red squiggly line that was there means I've made a mistake. That's what that means. Read timeout equals 2000. Serial port dot write timeout equals 2000. Put another try in here. Serial port 1 dot write line or write line. Put in some brackets. Some of those puppies. Quotation marks. And then you just write on. Actually, hold on. We'll need to open the serial port. Serial port 1 dot open. And we'll just close it again. Now you can do it a bit differently, like with if statements to say if it's already open and whatnot. But because I'm trying to make this as really fast as I can, I'm not doing that. Okay, then we do another try. And what we're just going to put in serial port 1 dot port name equals port box dot text. So every time you change that port box at the top, it's going to change what the port is. Alright, because I put them all in these try statements, if it doesn't quite work, it's just going to fail out and it won't crash the program. There is some instances where it won't work and it will crash the program, but this will get your job done. So I'll just hit save. All the green bars means it's saved, yellow means it's changed, but since last time, red little dots means there's problems. So we'll go ahead and try and run it. Yep, looks good. So there's a COM port available. Hit stop. Just clean it up, make it look a little bit nicer. Let's change these to on and off. So we want just properties, that one there. On. Off. Beautiful. Right, I'm going to plug in my Arduino. Yeah. Alright, you can hear it just kicked in. Alright, let's run. Alright, so it's not COM3, COM17. Off, on, off, on. Let me just show you. Alright, so on, off, on, off. Now if I just stop all that. Alright, now I've got another video that's in the cards right now. Now that video will show you how to publish it. It's a part 3 of a different series I made, but it shows you how to set an icon, publish it, and get it in there installed on your computer if you wanted to have a standalone program made out of it. But that will get the job done for you. So if this helped you out, just hit that subscribe button and stick around for more content.